everyone. Today we are going to start very interesting topic, that is word processor. What does word processor means? Where you can edit, where you can write the text the way you want, and even if you want to do any kind of formatting, you are able to do. If you see that knowledge is a power. Knowledge everywhere, whatever the work you are doing, you need knowledge to do it. And whenever we are getting any kind of knowledge, we need to read a lot. And for reading, though today we are very much techno savvy, for everything we are depending upon internet, all our articles, all our newspaper readings, everything has been shifted to the internet. And when we are writing anything, writing is a passion. So if anyone wants to write, internet is a platform where anyone can write whenever they want to. So when they are writing, they need to have a knowledge of word processor, because word processor is a platform where you can edit, where you can save, where you can print, and where you can create as many documents as you want to create it. So we can say word processor is a powerful tool for your passion of writing. So now let's see what word processor is, which help you to create, edit, save and print. Now in this we have many kind of word processor. We are going to start with MS Word, that is Microsoft Word. So that we are going to begin. But what all important feature any word processor should have, that we are going to discuss first. First one is the ease and speed. Whenever we are writing anything on a piece of paper, we may make mistakes, and that is almost impossible to rectify those errors, or even to make it very beautiful without cutting or scratching any of the word. But with the help of word processor and computer, it is very easy to type fast, and no doubt when you have a feature to edit, you can make your handwriting as beautiful, make your creation as beautiful as you want. Next is editing features, the cut, copy, paste option. If you are writing something in continuation and again you need to write, you are writing, you have to write it as many times you need to display it on a piece of paper. But when same thing you are doing on a computer, you can simply copy and paste it the number of times you want to do so. Formatting features, you can make it bold, you can make it italic, you can underline wherever you want to give the stress, or many other formatting features are available in all the word processor, with the help of which you can make your writing more beautiful and more presentable to the user. Next is storage features. Whatever the number of documents you are creating, without crumbling of the papers, without any kind of damage, you can store the number of documents you want to store in word processor. Graphic features, if you want to use any kind of pictures in your writing, that also you can use. Like in your book you can see you have text as well as graphics. How it is possible? With the help of computer, with the help of this word processor. So the graphic feature is also available, which you cannot do when you are writing, because you may be good in writing but you are not good in drawing. But computer helps you to make a good writer as well as good drawing also it can provide you. Printing feature, whatever the things you are writing on the screen, as it is same printout, you will get in the form of hard copy. So that printing feature is also available. Vocabulary and spell check. Vocabulary and spell check means when you are writing, you might have observed while writing, sometimes it happens that particular word gets underlined with red color or maybe green color. The red color means your spellings are wrong somewhere. So that red line indicates you that you have made a mistake in writing. So simply what you can do, you can simply check its grammar and spelling option, with the help of which you can correct your spelling mistakes, which you cannot do in your normal writing. Next is, whenever you are having that green line under the word, means grammatically it is somewhere wrong. So the same spell check and grammar feature helps you to do so. Next is mail merge. Mail merge means suppose you have your birthday party and you want to invite all of your friends, and as it's a lockdown period, you cannot have your invitation card from the outside, and you all are using computer throughout the day for one or another thing. It is very easy to create invitations you want within a few minutes. How you can do it? With the help of mail merge. Mail merge is a feature of word processor with the help of which you need to type only once any invitation, any kind of document, and the number of people, 1000, 2000, up to n number of people, you can send the same invitation with the help of this mail merge. Last feature is OLE. OLE stands for object, linking and embedding. Object means everything. If we see all around us, we are surrounded by all the objects everywhere. This particular pencil, this is an object. Your book, that is an object. Everything which is around you is an object. So that similarly, that particular document which you have created in computer, that is also an object. So whenever you want to link your object and embed it to some other document, you can easily do it with the help of OLE feature. So that is also provided by word processor. Now some of the popular word processor we are going to discuss. MS Word, you all are aware of it. OpenOffice, that is the new kind of word processor which is available free of cost without any cost. If you want to use any of the word processor, you can use OpenOffice Writer. Then you have Google Docs, that is also one of the feature of Google. Then Notepad, WordPad, LibreOffice Writer, these are the different word processors which are available in the market to use. Next is, now as we are going to do MS Word, what special feature Word is giving us. First one is you can create as well as you can save. Editing and formatting, you can enhance its beauty by using different kinds of formatting features, like any kind of color or bold italic feature you want to use, that you can use in MS Word. And even if you want to open any previous document which you have made maybe a year ago, that also you can open in MS Word. Printing and previewing, whatever the things you are doing, it is going to give you the exactly same hard copy which is appearing on the screen, that you can get with the help of print option. Preview means if you want to preview how it will look after printing, that also you can do with the help of MS Word. So MS Word is a tool which I can more understood if I'll show you practical. So just go through the next video which I am posting for practical of the word processor.